I'm Florian Gallier. I'm Strategic Partnerships Manager at Mo-Sys Engineering. At Mo-Sys Engineering, we are creating technologies for virtual production, pioneering technologies such as camera tracking or software in Unreal, or any tools for virtual production for storytelling. We're also doing robotics for the film and broadcast industry. So there's a lot of opportunities. Now we have the studios. Obviously, we need people to use these studios and to work in this environment. That's why the opportunity is to be trained in virtual production. For example, at Mo-Sys, we have an academy in London. We are teaching hands-on virtual production. It's called the Mo-Sys Academy. And then we kind of bridge the gap of skills in virtual production by teaching that. And there's a lot of opportunities in London because we are very ahead in terms of virtual production. Now it's about training. That's what we are doing with the academy. With the Mo-Sys Academy, which is the hands-on training, so you learn how to set up all the key elements for virtual production, such as camera tracking, lighting, how to interface it with Unreal, with the plugin, using the technology to create better storytelling, to be much more cost-effective, but also to be more creative and to bring more to your production.